Lahori Chargha. Let's make delicious Lahori Chargha restaurant style at home. I have taken a whole chicken to make Lahori Chargha, and I will add some spices to it. Now we will make deep cuts on the chicken so that the spices penetrate well into it. Salt, red chili, turmeric spice, dry coriander, cumin, add ginger and garlic paste and home ground spices, and a spoonful of vinegar will also be added in it. The chicken will be well seasoned. We will be streaming it for good. Put it in the oven and fry it well. Finally, chop the green chilies and mix it in ghee and apply it on the chargha. Chargha is ready. Now we will garnish it and eat it with relish. Alhamdulillah.